This is the most powerful air duster under 10 ounce. I received this product as evaluation sample from the vendor PECODE, but I will share my honest and independent opinion with you. Let's open the plastic wrap first and get everything out of the package, put on the table. Let's examine. Here we are. Here is the main unit, the brushless motor. It can reach up to 200 watts, and the RPM is super high, can reach up to 380,000 RPM, is really high. And here's the different size of nozzles. Obviously, the tighter nozzle gets the higher pressure. The charging table, USB-C, and here's the longer nozzles. And let's charging the main unit. Just to put the USB-C on, and you can see those arrows shows the lining arrow, and you can also touch on off the LED lights. Very straightforward, very simple. And let's keep it charging for quite a few minutes. When the fully charged, I noticed the LED is turned off automatically, but there's no other green lights to indicate the status. It's a very compact size, about my iPhone. This is ICE, very small size. The whole unit is actually under 10 ounce. Let's try the first bigger nozzle. Let's press and hold the button, and you can press down the LED on. What I'm gonna do, the pressure test, I can scale. I'm gonna increase the speed RPM. The first big nozzle all the way to the 5.5 ounce. This is pretty powerful. You know, the whole unit is weighted about 9 ounce, and it can increase about 5.5 ounce. And this is the tighter nozzle all the way to almost 4 ounce. And here's the longer nose nozzle, can reach speed all the way to 0.75 ounce. And let's just using those bare motor without any nozzles. Let's press and hold the button, make it on, and just press the scales. It can all the way up to the 4, 5, almost the 6. Can we reach the 6? Yes, it hit 6.35 ounce. This is not only a powerful tool, but a very versatile tool. I can use a fan for the hot summer. The suction is so strong, it can even hold itself without dropping. I can use to blow my car mat. All the dust, all the sandy stuff just goes away. I can also blow my floor. Very powerful with a long nose, very focused. You can see all the dust just suddenly goes away. Very powerful. I can also blow all the leaves, just like a regular leaf blowers. The battery was okay. It's actually on the maximum power, lasts more than 10 minutes. And you can also blow the leaf. You can see the powerful force. You know, overall, this is, as I said, the most powerful air dust under 10 ounce. Very good quality, nice design. I really like it. 5-star from me. Thank you.